Welcome once again to Mr. Hallelujah Maths class. Looking at the board, we are asked to find the value for x. So what do? Angles of a polygon, all these are the angles of the polygon, interior angles. And we know that the sum of the interior angles of a polygon is equal to n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degrees. So if all the angles of a polygon, when we sum them all, it is equal to this, it simply means that we are going to sum all of these interior angles. It means that we are going to have it as x plus 2x plus 2x plus x plus 30 degree plus x plus 20 degree plus x minus 10 degree. All of this is equal to what we have there. So now what we are going to do now, we are going to sum it all. We are going to sum it all. X plus 2x will give us 3x plus 2x will give us 5x plus x 6x plus x 7x and plus x will give us 8x. It simply means that we are going to have 8x. Then let's go over to the angles. 30 plus 20 degree will give us 50 degree minus 10 degree will give us 40 degree. So plus 40 degree. All of this is equal to n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. Now, what is our n? Our n, we know that when we talk about polygon, the number of sides is equivalent to the number of angles. So if the number of sides is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, it simply means that n is equal to 6. So in place of n, we are going to use 6. Now, 6 minus 2 will give us 4. So therefore, we rewrite it as 8x plus 40 degree is equal to 4 multiplied by 180. 4 multiplied by 180 will give us 720 degree. So now what we are going to do is we are going to look for a way to make x the subject formula. So we subtract 40 degree from both sides. If we do that, it will now be 8x equal to 720 minus 40 degree will give us 680 degree. It will now give us 680 degree. So on that note, we are going to make x the subject formula by dividing both sides by 8. So if we divide both sides by 8, it will now be 680 degree divided by 8. So if we divide 680 by 8, what are we going to have? 680 divided by 8 will give us 85 degree. It simply means that our x is equal to 85 degree. This is our final answer for x. Thanks for watching. Do well to follow the page, like, share, and comment. Thank you. Thank you.